Let's be real. Failure hurts. The rejection, the disappointment, the feeling that you weren't good enough. But what if I told you that your biggest pain could become your greatest power? That the failures you faced aren't there to break you, but to build you. Every success story starts with failure. The difference? Some people let it define them, while others use it to rise. So today, I'll show you how to turn your pain into power and come back stronger than ever. Step 1. Own your failure. Stop running from it. Most people fear failure. They hide from it. They let it control them. But here's the thing. Failure is feedback. It doesn't mean you're not good enough. It means, here's what you need to improve. The most successful people in the world, they failed more than anyone. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. Elon Musk was laughed at when he started Tesla and SpaceX. They didn't run from failure. They faced it, learned from it, and kept moving forward. So ask yourself, what is my failure trying to teach me? Step 2. Use the pain as fuel. Turn setbacks into comebacks. Pain is energy. You have two choices. Let it break you. Let it drive you. Think about it. Every time someone told you you can't, you're not good enough, you'll never make it, prove them wrong. Use your pain as fuel. Let it push you to work harder. Let it push you to become unstoppable. The best revenge? Success. Step 3. Take relentless action. No more waiting. Here's the truth. Nothing changes if you don't move. You can sit in your pain or you can rise from it. Set a goal. Make a plan. Take action. Every single day. You don't need motivation. You need momentum. The more you move forward, the stronger you become. The payoff. Why this changes everything. Imagine looking back at your life and realizing that every failure was actually preparing you for success. Every no led you closer to a yes. Every loss made you stronger. Every setback was just a setup for your comeback. You are not your failures. You are what you do next. Final challenge. Do this now. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to turn your pain into power. No more waiting. No more excuses. This is your time to rise. Your story isn't over. It's just getting started.